Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and I just recently came across a 5-second lemonade. I just had to share it with you. It's fast, it tastes so good, it's totally refreshing, it's easy, sugar-free. I mean, how awesome is that, right? Okay, so first thing, get out your blender. Or go borrow one from your neighbor. Wash 2 lemons and 1 lime, cut them in half, take out the seeds. I think the best lemons to use for this kind of lemonade are Meyer lemons because their peels are so thin and they don't have a lot of pith. And the pith is that white part in between the pulp and the peel. Put the whole fruit into the blender, skins and all, with 2 cups of water, a 1/3 cup erythritol or Truvia, and 10 drops of liquid stevia. Blend at the highest level for 3 seconds. Then add 2 more cups of water, 2 handfuls of ice, and blitz again at the highest speed for 2 seconds. Pour through a strainer over ice and enjoy. If you want to play around with some different variations, I've done 3 lemons, which is excellent. I've also tried grapefruit, which was a little bitter, so I'd stay away from that. I've done orange tangerine lemon, that was excellent, but I don't know, play around with it. And if you find something that you really like, leave it in the comments section below. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. And if you like this video, please subscribe. That'd be really awesome. Until next week, go have a great time in your kitchen, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.